Dear learners, today I will discuss about National Institutional Ranking Framework. This is a ranking framework which is offered by Government of India, Ministry of Human Resource Development, that is MHRD. So, this is the official site of NIRF India, www.nirfindia.org home. So, every year NIRF publish a list of ranking according to different parameters. So, what are the parameters? The ranking is done on the basis of these five parameters. Number one, teaching, learning, and resources. Number two, research and professional practices. Number three, graduation outcome in case of colleges, especially. Number four, outreach and inclusivity. And number five, perception. So, if we go to the ranking tab and to 2020, then we will see NIRF has done ranking differently. There is a overall ranking, there is university ranking, engineering college ranking, management, pharmacy, only college ranking, medical, law, architecture, and dental. Now today we will only discuss about the university ranking. So in this ranking, NIRF has listed 100 universities, the top 100 universities of India. So you can see in the list that the number one university is Indian Institute of Science, which is located at Bengaluru, Karnataka. So you can see that in the five parameters, IISc Bangalore has gained in teaching learning 82.22, in RPC 92.16, in Geo graduation outcome 82.89, in Y 52.84, and in perception 100. And next comes the Jawaharlal Nehru University. And the Jawaharlal University scored overall 70.16 overall score. It is situated at New Delhi, and the parameter wise scores are as follows. The third rank is Banaras Hindu University, which is situated at Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. BHU has scored 63.15 out of 100, and the parameter wise scores are as follows. Number 4 is Amrita Vishwa Vidyapitham, which is located at Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, and it scored 62.27. The parameter wise scores are 69.65, 52.11, 73.66, 65.83, and 44.33. In perception, IIC is 100 and it's decreasing. The number 5 is Jadavpur University, which is located at Kolkata, West Bengal. The Jadavpur University scored 71.44 in perception, which is above the JNU, BHU, and Amrita Vishwa Vidyapith. But it scored, as you can see, in TLA, teaching learning, and RPC scores less. Basically, in teaching learning, it scored 53.38. Next comes the University of Hyderabad, which has got a overall score of 61.70. University of Hyderabad, as from the name, situated at Hyderabad, Telangana. Its teaching learning score is 71.25 and perception score is 58.32, which is less than Jadavpur University. Graduation outcome is 81.18, which is greater than Amrita Vishwa Vidyapith, JNU, and BHU. Not BHU. Next, the number 7 university of India is Calcutta University, which has scored 61.53 overall. In teaching learning, the score is 59.26. In RPC, the score is 48.58. In graduation outcome, 91.03. In OY, 61.60. and perception 47.99. Number 8 university is at 8th position Manipal Academy of Higher Education, which is situated at Manipal, Karnataka, and scored overall 61.51. The university at number 9th position is Savitribai Phule Pune University, which is situated at Pune, Maharashtra, and it has scored overall 61.13. You can see the margin is very less. The margin is very less in from BHU to Savitribai. The margin is very less. And the number 10th university is Jamia Millia Islamia, which is situated at New Delhi and scored 61.07. Now, out of these top 100 universities, if we just look at the university state-wise, so state-wise, the Andhra Pradesh has, as you can see, 6 universities, which is ranked 19, 38, 41, 71, 75, 100. So in Andhra Pradesh, there are 6 universities, which is under the top 100. Next, the Assam. In Assam, there is 3 university. Next is Chandigarh. In Chandigarh, there is 1 university, which is in the top 100 list. In Delhi, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 universities. In Goa, there is 1 university, which is under 100 rank. In Gujarat, also 1 university, which is Gujarat University. In Haryana, there are 4 universities, which is in the top 100 list. In Jammu Kashmir, there are 2 universities, University of Kashmir and University of Jammu. In Jharkhand, there is 1 university, Birla Institute of Technology, which is under in top 100 list. In Karnataka, next is Karnataka. In state of Karnataka, there are many universities. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11. 11 universities of Karnataka is in the list of top 100. And from state of Kerala, there are 4 universities in the list. From the state of Maharashtra also, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There are 13 universities from state of Maharashtra. From Meghalaya, there is 1 university. From Mizoram, there is 1 university. From Odisha, there are 3 universities. From Pondicherry, there are 2 universities. From Punjab, there are 5 universities. From Rajasthan, there are 2 universities. From Tamil Nadu, again there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There are 18 universities from the state of Tamil Nadu. From Telangana, there are 3 universities. From UP or Uttar Pradesh, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6 universities in the top 100 list. From Uttarakhand, there is 1 university in the top list. From West Bengal, there are 5 universities. So these are the state-wise universities. Now, if you want to know more about the top universities, then you can visit the official websites. The number 1 rank is Indian Institute of Science. The official website is www.iisc.ac.in. You can go to the academics and departments to know more about this university. This top university, Indian Institute of Science, offered many courses. There are division of biological science, division of chemical science, division of electrical, electronics, computer science, division of interdisciplinary research, division of mechanical science, division of physical and mathematical science, centered under the director and autonomous societies. So IISc is mainly for sciences. Our next number 2 university is Jawaharlal Nehru University, and the official website is jnu.ac.in. If you want to know about the academics of Jawaharlal Nehru University, there are different departments, schools and centers, deans, centers, chairperson. So if you click on the schools and centers, there are School of Arts and Ethics, School of Biotechnology, School of Computational and Integrative Science, School of Computer and System Science, School of Engineering, School of Environmental Science, School of International Studies, School of Language Literature, School of Life Science, Atal Bihari Vajpayee School of Management and Entrepreneurship, School of Physical Sciences, School of Sanskrit and Indic Studies, and School of Social Sciences. Next is Banaras Hindu University. The official website is bhu.ac.in. So, here also in academics, there are different campuses and schools and accredited colleges. If you visit, you can see that in South Campus there are institutes of science, medical science, agriculture science, management studies, environment, like this. Next is Amrita Vishwa Vidyapith. The official website is www.amrita.edu. Here also you can search for the programs offered by the university. You can just select the campuses. There are 7 campuses. If I choose the Bengaluru campus, you can choose the doctoral program, integrated degree, international, postgraduate, and undergraduate. There are different schools: School of Engineering, Center of Field Science, School of Agriculture, Arts and Science, Ayurveda, Biotechnology, Business, Mass Communication, Dentistry, Education, Medicine, Nanoscience, Nursery, Pharmacy, Social Works, and others. Next, we will visit Jadavpur University webpage www.jaduniv.edu.in. Here also can visit the academics and the departments arts, engineering, sciences, interdisciplinary schools, centers for studies, and others to know more about the university. Number 6 university is University of Hyderabad. The official website is www.uohyd.ac.in. Here also, to know more about this university, you can visit the webpage and can know more about it. Number 7th university is University of Calcutta. The official website is www.caluniv.ac.in. You can know about the academic departments about the university. This is one of the oldest university in India. University of Calcutta offered agriculture, arts, commerce, social sciences, business management, education, journalism, library science, engineering and technology, fine arts, music, home science, law, science centers, teams of faculties, more and others. So you can just visit the homepage and know more about this university if you are interested. Our number 8 university is Manipal Academy of Higher Education. The official website is manipal.edu. To know more about this, you can visit the official website of Manipal University. You can click on the study and the programs to know more about postgraduate program, advanced certificate, PG course, fellowship, and others. Our number 9 university, ninth university is Pune University. The official website is www.unipune.ac.in. To know more about the courses, you can visit the academics and departments. There are many courses offered by Pune University. The university at the number 10th position is Jamia Millia Islamia University, a central university, and the official website is www.jmi.ac.in. You can visit the official website to know more about the degree courses, postgraduate courses, and the research career offered by this university. So, these are the top 10 universities according to the list of the NIRF ranking 2020. So, to know more about the universities, stay tuned with us. Thank you for listening.